I write a lot of content on the internet, and I've created an AI field agent in Airtable to write a teaser for older posts that I've published. Then I have an automation set up that sends the old posts link plus the teaser to my social media scheduling platform. In Airtable, I have a view set up to show posts I published during this week in prior years. So last year, the year before, etc. I have a field agent set up to automatically generate a teaser using AI. If you look at how I edited this field, it's set up as a text field with long text using the default GPT model. And it's also set up to enable internet search and run automatically. This is necessary because my GPT instructions look at the published URL to write a teaser. I've inserted the field from Airtable, which you can do by clicking on Insert Field, and then I select the URL. Then I have a bunch of instructions set up about what a teaser should contain, and I can select Save. If I want to republish this post, I can just select to run the agent. It will look at the URL of the published post and then write a teaser. Next, I have an automation set up in Zapier to send the link and the teaser to Buffer, which is where I schedule my social media. In Airtable, I have a view set up that I want to reshare the link, and I've created the teaser for it. In the next step, I'm sending the link and the teaser to the create space in Buffer, and then from there, I'll decide which platforms I want to share it on. I gave it a title of link resharing. And then in the text, I include the teaser generated by the field agent in Airtable and the URL. I don't have any media associated with this. I have some tags. And then I have a specific group in Buffer where I put these posts that I want to reshare the link. I'm going to go ahead and send this to Buffer. Then I'm going to publish this Zap. And now if I come over to Buffer, here's the teaser that was generated by Airtable along with the URL. At this point, I would edit the teaser so that it sounds like me and select Create Post and choose which social platforms I want to reshare this link to. You can view a written version of this tutorial on my website, tinkeringwithideas.io. And you can also subscribe to receive new tutorials directly in your inbox.